You may have noticed some unusual changes in the weather. Maybe this year was hotter than last year, or maybe it rained less. Your grandparents might have even told you that 30 years ago it was much cooler than it is now. And maybe you've noticed that flash floods, droughts, and heavy winds occur more frequently. Long-term shifts in temperatures and weather patterns are called climate change. One of the symptoms of climate change is global warming, which occurs due to a phenomenon called the greenhouse effect. Greenhouse gases in the atmosphere trap the heat of the sun and stop it from reflecting back into space. This natural phenomenon is important for the survival of you, me, and all living beings on the planet. However, global warming is now happening not only because of the greenhouse gases that exist naturally in the atmosphere, but also those released by human activities such as burning fossil fuels, cutting down trees, agriculture, and livestock farming. Earth needs a stable average temperature to have a stable climate for life as we know it. Human-induced climate change endangers this fine balance. Luckily, there is hope in reducing harmful activities. How do our actions cause climate change? Can we measure how much carbon we each use in a day?